My name is Parth Mehta and I'm admitted to Harvard College, class of 2019. This process has been an extremely enriching one for me, and I'm here to share a few tips that might be beneficial for you. The first and most important point that you must keep in mind is that there is no formula or set of rules that you can use to make it to a top university of your choice. You might have a perfect SAT score of 2400 on 2400, 800 on 800 on the SAT subject tests, but you still are not assured of an admission to the top college just by proving your academic rigor. And this is extremely unlike where in India students demonstrate their academic rigor by scoring a very high rank, and they're assured of an admission to the prestigious Indian Institute of Technology. You must realize that intellectual vitality is the key to a successful college application. And what I mean by intellectual vitality is the urge to carry on and your passion, your ideas, hobbies and interests, and get them up to another level altogether. And this is the essence of intellectual vitality, wherein you address an issue or a subject that you genuinely are intrigued by, work on it, research about it, and given your input to that particular field. And intellectual vitality also means that you must be able to convert something like a dinner table conversation into a research project. I attempted to demonstrate intellectual vitality by making a few projects that I was genuinely interested. The first one was an energy harvester that I made, and the energy harvester incorporated concepts of piezoelectric sensors and capacitors from my class that I'd studied in 11th and 12th grade. So these are just small issues that I tried to address in my life and problems that I tried to solve. Another project that I worked on was a macroscopic particle accelerator. To give you a little background, let me tell you that at CERN, particles were being accelerated to 99.99999% the speed of light, and I was genuinely intrigued by how this would happen. So I went to Dr. Krishnamurthy, who also accelerates particles using a different technology at the Wakefield Plasma Laboratory at TIFR. And I documented his research, whatever little that I could understand, not because anyone required me to do that, but because I was genuinely intrigued by how this entire particle acceleration scheme worked out. And then I realized that whatever I'd learned and documented was just theory. I now needed to convert it into a practical project. And to do that, I attempted to build a macroscopic particle accelerator that accelerated a polypropylene bond. So all I'm saying is demonstrate intellectual vitality in ways through which not many others would, and in ways that the admissions committee realizes that you genuinely work on something that you're truly passionate about and that you want to explore. Not because anyone requires you to do it, but because you want to. You must also keep in mind that you must be open to change, therefore be versatile and know what you don't know. If you know what you don't know, you're in a very good state to pitch yourself for the colleges. And so what I essentially mean is that delve as deep as you can into this entire process, and you must have so much information that even you should be able to advise your own counselor. So get that deep into this process, only then will you understand what the admissions committee is looking for and what it truly takes to succeed in life. You should also be flexible and changeable with time. That's extremely crucial because you might not make it to the dream college of your choice, but you still will make it to your other top choices. So make sure that you're ready to change, and most importantly, never love or hate a college. I don't know where you're watching this video from. You might be in a second tier city right now, or in a metropolitan area like I am in Mumbai. But let me tell you this, regardless of where you live and regardless of your financial background, institutions do value students who are extremely determined and have what it takes to make it to college and to be successful in life. So all I'm saying is, do not be disheartened if you feel your demographics or your financial background put you at a disadvantage relative to the other applicants. In fact, most institutions in the United States are need-based, which means your financial background will be considered while making a college admission. On the other hand, there are need-blind institutions like MIT and Harvard, which will take into account your financial requirements independent of your admission decision. Therefore, if you make it to Harvard or MIT, it does not matter whether or not you have the finances. You have to notify Harvard and MIT by filing for what is called a FAFSA. So do not be discouraged, always be determined, and as I said, if you have what it takes to succeed in college, institutions, especially your top choices, will definitely fund you. In fact, very unexpectedly, this year MIT took 3 applicants from India, all of which required financial aid and all of which are from second-tier cities. So this is just a point in case that I'd like to prove to you that your background and your financial aid requirement does not really impact your college admissions, even to the top choice college of yours. That was my time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this entire process is as enriching for you as it has been for me, and that you learn as much as you can and do well in life. Thank you.